Hello amazing artists, it's Mrs. McKelvey. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a chameleon and how to paint with watercolors. I'm starting off drawing with pencil. Remember to draw light until it's right, and then once it's all set, we'll trace darker with marker. As I'm drawing, I make lots of lines until I like the shape that I'm making, and I'm going to make a kind of like a football shape for the head, and in the middle there's a little line for the chameleon's mouth. Now I'll draw the back, and the back is kind of like a long rainbow, or like a sideways rainbow. It's going to be the back, and then I'm going all the way down here to draw the tail. Draw a straight line for the belly. This line right here, we're just going to make another line on the other side. It's thicker at the top of the tail than the bottom of the tail. And now I'm going to make a spiral going around with one side there, and then I'll just follow that line going around. And I've got my tail. The legs get a little bit trickier. I'm going to make an S shape. Then I'll come back around for almost like an oval shape for the toe. And then I'll make another toe. The same thing for the front leg. Make a curved line, then come back. Make a rainbow shape, and then you're going to come back around again for the other toe, and then just match up that line to the body, make it a curved line. Next, I'll make a circle for the eye. Remember to draw light until it's right. I like to make a lot of different lines. If you're having trouble with this, you can use a circular template. This is an old drawer knob from my dresser, or you could use the end of a glue stick, cap, or anything else you can think of. We'll draw the details like the eye, the nose, and the eyelid. To draw the eyelid, I'm just going to draw another curved line above that circle I've already made, and then I will draw another line showing that there is an eye on the other side, but you can't really see it. To draw the branch, I'll just draw a line going across like this, and then I have to draw the other feet because he's got 4 legs. If you want a colorful chameleon like mine, separate your chameleon into different sections by creating lines. When you're all done, don't forget to erase those extra pencil lines. Now trace all the pencil lines with Sharpie or marker to make it darker. I realize not everyone may have watercolors at home, and here's another great option is to get a little bowl, fill it with a little bit of water, and you can use food coloring as watercolors. I put red in my bowl here, and you'll see that there isn't really much difference between food coloring and watercolors, and you'll see it here on this video. If you have a brush, dip your brush in the watercolors or the food coloring watercolors that you have, and then you can start painting your amazing drawing that you created. When I paint, I like to paint around the edges carefully, and then you can go a little bit faster in the middle. If you have watercolors at home, you can definitely use these. You want to make a little bit of a puddle on the side of your watercolors with water, and then you can add your color to that puddle to create your watercolors. So I already have red in this bowl, and I'm going to add a little bit of yellow to try to create orange. Let's see if it will work. The yellow and red food coloring looks the same as the orange watercolors. The red watercolor and the red food coloring look the same also. Now I'm going to sketch lightly with pencil to create more of those branches in the background. After I've drawn it out with pencil, I will trace it again with dark marker or Sharpie. Well, maybe I don't have brown, but I do have green and red. Green and red are complementary colors, so if I mix green with red, I'm going to get brown. What color do you think we will get if we have a little bit of water, we put a little bit of blue food coloring in there with a little bit of red food coloring? What color will it be? It turns purple. So the next step is to paint each section in between the branches the same color. I chose to do it all purple. If you want to do it all different colors, it is up to you. If you like this video, please give it a like and hit subscribe for more fun art videos.